Greetings. Come take a walk with me through the garden. This is what I call my mama's heart. If you come in the garden, you'll see these hearts all around the garden. They're all dedicated to my mother, who suffered with heart disease. And I said this is a way to cultivate her heart. So I love to see her hearts thriving. So every time I go around the garden and I see one of the hearts and it's thriving, I go, look at mama's heart thriving. Shout out to Melissa Mitchell. She's the muralist who did the benches as well as the mural on the building. Loving these flower beds that are attracting all the butterflies. They have really been in abundance. These are so beautiful. We got 2 families of birds from that birdhouse this season. It was amazing watching the process of them building a nest, then laying the eggs, and then the babies coming out eventually. If you ever notice, gemstones are sprinkled throughout the garden. Don't know if you noticed. This butterfly garden is really thriving. The sunflowers have grown so tall. We're gonna keep allowing them to grow for now, and then save some of them for seeds. It's amazing how you put one small plant in the pot and it blooms and grows in abundance. These were one little small plants. The garden beds are looking wonderful. Anticipating a fruitful fall. Peppers. I like to just take my shoes off and walk around the garden for at least like 5 to 15 minutes before I get busy inside. So I also welcome you when you visit to take your shoes off and walk around. It's a great way to ground. And it's wonderful to ground before a busy day. It's usually when I go inside. That's it. I'm inside all day working. Thank you for walking with me. I welcome you to come through. We're open to the public Saturdays 11 to 6, Sundays 12 to 4, closed on the last Sunday. And when you come, feel free to kick your shoes off I'm going on inside. Peace and love, y'all.